Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your Eureka Crystal Beads collection for August 2024, and this is in collaboration with Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and it's called Sunflower Bliss Beads Collection. So let's open it up. Okay, so I've opened the bag and everything comes wrapped in tissue. It's a lovely gift. So for those of you who aren't familiar with this is not a subscription. It's a beautifully curated collection of beads, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that they offer on their website, on Eureka Crystal Beads website. Generally monthly. Sometimes they skip a month and look pretty. Look at these sunflower colors, yellows and such. So here's our picture. So they offer on their website, generally monthly. You can purchase the entire collection at a substantial discount, or you can purchase the beads individually, and I will link below all that information for you. So let's open it up. Let's do this together. Here are our beauties. And here's our package, and look at the pretty colors. Oh, look, we've got a ribbon in there too, so very nice. So here we've got a little inspiration paragraph that, that gives you a little, idea of what's in here. So like a burst of sunshine in a clear summer day, rows of sunflowers radiate warmth and joy. I love sunflowers. Let's open it up. So here is your list. And everything has a category. So seed beads, check glass, Krakowski crystal, elite crystal, Preciosa crystal, Chinese crystal, that's a crystal, ribbon and findings. Everything is identified by this SKU number here. So this number identifies this item. If you would like to put it in your search bar, and you can, order additional beads or such. You've got for U.S. shipping and all orders of $39.99. All right, so let's take a look at the beads. Okay, let's look at all the seed beads first. So the first two up, we have a beautiful Toho 15-0, and look at that bead. Look at that matte finish. That's gorgeous. This is perma finish matte galvanized starlight, and I love the perma finish. You get an 8 to 9 gram tube, and then we have a Toho round 11-0 in Ceylon frosted peach cobbler. So look how pretty that looks with the sunflower. Okay, next up we have a Miyuki 15-0, and this is a mixed 10 gram tube, and it's really pretty. You've got some like rusty colors in there, and some like topazy colors, so all very earthy colors. And then we have a Miyuki 11-0 round seed bead 10 gram tube, and that is a matte black. Very pretty. Another Miyuki round 11-0, and this is, I believe, the matte metallic dark bronze. So it's matte. I love this. I love the regular dark bronze too. So this is, I love this bead. I have a lot of these. And Miyuki Delica 11-0 mix. So again, we have a mix here. So we have those pretty sunflowery colors. So oranges and peaches and browns and creams. So very, very pretty. Beads. So we have a 3mm fire polish right here. And that is, you get 50 beads to this strand. And that looks like a travertine finish to me. I don't know the color name, but I think that's what it is. And then we have this one, opaque sapphire yellow in a 4mm, so 50 beads to each one of these. And then the 6mm twilight topaz, you get 25 beads in this strand. How pretty those are. Beautiful. Let's continue on. So we've got more check glass beads here. So we'll look at these first. These are triangle beads, matte, opaque yellow jet. So I think we'll open this up. And I do appreciate that their tubes are really tight. I can't get it open without using pliers, which I think is great. So here we go. Here's your triangle bead. That's pretty. So that, what did I call that? It was matte opaque yellow jet. So the jet base with, look at that opaque yellow on it. And that has 2 holes right there. Okay, next up we have some bar beads, 2-hole bar beads, 6x2mm checkmates, 2.5-inch tube, and the triangle beads are 6mm checkmates, and you get a 2.5-inch tube on those too. So here are the bar beads, and look at that bright color, so opaque sunflower yellow. So all you yellow fans. Next up, I love these. We have a mini duo. These are magic green, so look at that beautiful shine on that, and that coating is gorgeous. Look how beautiful it goes with everything else. It like just gives a punch of sparkle. Beautiful. So these are mini duos, and they are, how many did you get? 2.5 inch tube. I have this long strand of 25, 12 millimeter sunflower check clasp beads. So this is a little sunflower. It's so pretty. Love it. Gina always does such a beautiful job at coordinating her colors. Isn't that great? That looks beautiful. Love that, the wash on that. We have some Krakowski crystals. We have 4 chatons, 2 in this beautiful sort of, I don't know, topaz, like AB. I'm not sure the color, but it's or something shine. I'm not sure the name of it. Is beautiful. And then look at this one with all the different colors in it. I don't know if that's similar to like a volcano. I'm not exactly sure the color, but you know, I'm sure it'll be listed on the website. And then we have these beautiful pearls, 4 millimeter pearls, and these look like they're, you know, like an olive green almost color in sort of a matte. Isn't that beautiful? Love that green. I love this and this together, and this. Love it all. Love it all. We have some Elite Crystal, and this is Elite Eureka Crystal brand. It's a Rivoli 8 millimeters. So you get 2 of those. They're Austrian crystal brand, and you get a Rivoli, 1 Rivoli in 14 millimeter, and they're both in jet. So we have Preciosa Crystal, and here's the bicone mix. So 4 millimeter bicones, pack of 72, and you just have various beautiful sort of sunflowery colors. You've got ruby or cyan. You've got some, you know, some amber colors, a couple of greens. Really very pretty. A little bit of jet in there, I believe, as well. Nice mix. So we have the Chinese crystal, and we have the rondelle beads, 3 by 2 millimeter. You get this nice long strand. Lots and lots of beads. Isn't that a gorgeous color? I don't know the color, but it's stunning. Sort of an apricot color. And look at that sparkle. Look at that shine on those. They're some of my favorite beads, the 3 by 2 millimeter rondelles. So we have a cabochon, a Luna Soft lucite cabochon, a round one, and it is 18 millimeters. And look at that beautiful color. It's stunning. So we have some hand-dyed silk ribbon, 36 inches, and look at that gorgeous ombre with the orange and the rust and red. Oh, that's gorgeous. You know me, I love ribbons. And look at how pretty that Luna Soft cab goes with this. That's beautiful. So we have an ear wire, flat French, 26 millimeter. You get 3 pair. So really pretty. It's very delicate, but big. And then we have an ancient style metal hook clasp, 25 millimeter. You get 1 set. Very nice. And then we have a couple of charms. So it's sunflower charm, 15 millimeter. You get 2 of those. So very beautiful. So here it is, your Sunflower Bliss collection, curated by Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads. And she always does such a beautiful job of curating these collections. I love it. I love the sunflower theme. Just beautiful. I'll put links in the description box below the video to Eureka Crystal Beads in the collection page. So I want to thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.